Wala ako mapagawa di ba?
I'm very nice to send or give you this letter. I just want you to know that I'm very thankful for teaching us some good teaching lessons, and I appreciate to have you as a teacher.
Thank you so much, Dai. Thank you, Dai. Tresimi.
Well, Mom Tapdas, dear teacher, thank you for teaching me a good lesson on manners and respect and kindness. And I hope you had a good day. Thank you for teaching me, my dear teacher. And I hope you feel always happy. God bless you and happy Teacher's Day. From your student, Aliyah.
Thank you, Alaya.
Happy Teacher's Day, Mom.
Thank you.
Teacher, thank you for teaching me a good lesson on manners, respect, kindness, and I hope you had a good day. Thank you for teaching me Dear Ma'am Olga, sa Teacher's Day, Ma'am. Salamat sa pag-alaga sa amin lahat. Ikaw talaga ang best teacher namin. Thank you, Ma'am. I love you, teacher.
Thank you.
An awesome English teacher is hard to find, difficult to part with, and impossible to forget. Happy Teacher's Day.
Thank you, Eliza.
Dear Ma'am, thank you for teaching us, and thank you for guiding and supporting us, and thank you for being a kind and caring teacher. Happy Teacher's Day.
Thank you.
Dear Ma'am Toktas, you are the best ma'am in the room, and you are so pretty, ma'am. Salamat kayo nag-teach us kasamo. Thank you very much for teaching us and the lesson MAPI, English, Aralpan, and ESP. You teach us how to write the story. Pag-alaga sa among lawas at honesty, ma'am.
Thank you, Queen.
Dear Teacher Jimilyn, I was lucky to have a teacher as wonderful as you are. Wishing you lots of happiness. You are an amazing teacher. Happy Teacher's Day from Julie.
Thank you, Johnny.
Happy Teacher's Day.
Ikaw, Sheila. Piso, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, ready? Piso. Piso. Nawala nyo ha. 2. Hawala ka doon. 5.